These are your single leg forward lunges. So with a single leg, we're just basically repeating the same leg over and over again for a full set. And once we finish a full set there, then we switch legs. And we will repeat that leg until we finish a set there. But with our forward lunge here, making sure, so we're starting at the back of the mat. Wherever your stance is, you're basically stepping forward from that position. Feet are hip width and parallel to start. Shoulders back, spines up nice and tall. And I step forward with one foot and I plant it. I'd like to lay it down heel to toe, okay? Just controlling that descent into it as I bend that front knee. And as that knee bends, this front knee should be right over the middle of that front foot. Okay, if it's falling inward or outward, fix it, correct it. Do not let your knee wobble away from being right above the middle of that foot. Kind of think the knee's pointing the same direction as your second and third toes there, okay? Also check your back foot. It's not as common with the front forward lunge. We tend to stay in alignment with the back foot, but your feet should be starting off parallel. So when you step forward, that back foot should still be parallel with the front foot. Look back and adjust it if you need to. From there, we are down here. And to kick back, we're essentially going to kick back through the heel. So we're really extending that knee and thrusting our way, but I want you to think about pressing through the heel. So that means my toes come up first. But when I come up here, I'm not going to push off the toes there. I'm actually pushing off the heel and rolling the toes up in the air as if I'm kind of reversing the motion back, okay? So on the other leg, I'll step forward, left foot, heel to toe down, bending both knees, knees in line with the front foot, square it up, spine still nice and tall, and then I'm going to roll this foot back. Toes are going to come up first as I then extend through the heel to come back up to standing, and then repeating that lunge on that leg. And that there are your single leg forward lunges.